Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. It's about putting yourself in someone else's shoes. Empathy is different from similar sounding words like sympathy and apathy. Sympathy means feeling pity for someone else's misfortune. Apathy means a lack of feeling or interest. Here are some ways you can use this word in your IELTS speaking test. If you're asked to describe a time when you helped someone, you could say, I showed empathy by listening to my friend's problems and offering support. In part 3, you're often asked questions like what qualities make a good leader? What are some qualities of a good teacher? You could say, a good leader must have empathy to understand the needs and concerns of their team members. If you're asked, are you a good listener? Your answer could be, yes, I believe I'm a good listener because I practice empathy, trying to understand the speaker's feelings and perspective. Now let's explore some writing task 2 examples. This essay question is about the important qualities of nurses. In this essay, you could write that nurses need empathy to understand and respond to their patients' needs. Another example is this question about competition and cooperation. In your answer, you could write that a cooperative spirit fosters simple acts of empathy which are beneficial for society as a whole. The word empathy can also be used in essays related to schools and parenting. This essay question discusses the reasons for elderly people living in nursing homes. You could write that empathy for elderly's need for professional care often leads to families to make that decision. Similarly, let's look at use of the word empathy in writing task 1 general. Here you need to write a letter to a friend who is feeling down. You could include a sentence like, I want to express my empathy and let you know that I'm always here for you. When asking a colleague to cover for you while you're on leave, you could say, I know this is an extra burden, but I truly appreciate your understanding and empathy towards my situation. Here you might be asking a friend for career advice. Your empathy and understanding of my situation would mean a lot to me. While asking your landlord for an extension on your rent payment, you could include, I hope you can empathize with my situation and grant me some additional time. While putting in a request to your manager, you could include your empathetic approach and flexibility in accommodating this request would greatly enhance my productivity. I'll leave you with some famous quotes on empathy. Empathy is a powerful word that shows understanding and care. Use it to enrich your IELTS responses and demonstrate your ability to connect with others. Thanks for watching and good luck with your IELTS preparation.